วัสดีค่ะ Welcome to the next episode with Tiffany Moon, and we're gonna do something even more exciting. So I got you kind of comfortable with the croque.
Yes, le croque.
The croque. Croque.
Yes, chef.
Yes. You ready to roll?
Yes.
We're gonna tie things up again.
I love it.
These are things that you kind of grew up eating.
Yes.
Shumai.
Shumai.
You love
Or
shumai?
饺子, which is
Jiaozi.
Chinese for dumpling.
What kind of Chinese?
Mandarin.
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 So what's shumai?
Shumai is like Cantonese. It's for dim sum, which is more like yum cha. Like it's different. Mandarin and Cantonese are not, very different.
So my dad grew up in Hong Kong.
Okay, so he speaks Cantonese.
So if I had to say like Happy Chinese New Year, I say 新年有意, 新年发财. What do you say?
恭喜发财.
Oh, 恭喜发财. Yes, I hear that one too.
Yeah. What do you say in Thai?
สุขสันต์วันปีใหม่ค่ะ.
Oh, I love that.
Yeah, it's just beautiful sound.
It's the Thai language is beautiful.
Oh,
Really
we have
is.
a lot of fun.
Yeah.
I'm gonna just start putting you to work again.
Okay.
I love how you're
What
just
am I
so
mixing?
willing. We're going to putting in some garlic.
Garlic.
Love starting with garlic.
Uh-huh.
And let's put a little bit of white pepper.
Okay.
Depending on how much spice you like, it can get spicy, especially for kids. Like my daughter, she will say like, oh my God, it's spicy. I'm like, I didn't put any chili peppers in there.
I know, but white pepper, I feel like especially kids can taste it.
I love how
More?
you just, no, you decide.
Oh, I think that's enough. I ate a Thai chili earlier. I was like, oh, I thought it was a tomato.
Ooh. And also, I'm just using the stems of these cilantro, because normally in Thailand, we would get the roots. And you would like pound out the roots, and it has this very earthy flavor. Ooh. The stems give you the same. You're gonna paste that baby.
Paste?
Paste it.
Oh dear.
You're gonna go at it.
There
you go.
Really gotta pound it.
You do have to.
Sorry, I was being gentle.
You are very gentle.
You know, I wanted to warm her up first.
Warm up. Nice. Very warm.
Now that we're warm, pound it!
Pound it out.
I feel like nothing's happening.
Okay, go pound harder.
I feel like, are you supposed to break the garlic?
You're gonna break it up.
Okay. Like you don't want it whole anymore.
Correct.
You want her to be.
And if you want to like protect your eyes without goggles, there you go. Show off your beautiful nails and ring.
Oh, look, I need a new manicure.
In college, I would have all these different colors, and my professor would be like, you know, Nikki, I look forward to seeing you in class. Because you will always have a different nail color.
Oh, you were adventurous. Yeah.
Yeah.
No, me, I get like the same four, like on rotation. Yeah, I'm very adventurous. I save my adventures for the bedroom.
I like that. I'm gonna bring some beautiful adventureness to your ears.
Oh my gosh, I was gonna say I love your earrings, but I was gonna say I can't wear heavy earrings.
These are so light.
Let me see.
They look big and heavy, but
where
they
are
are
these
so
from?
Light. From Thailand.
Really?
So I have this beautiful woman entrepreneur, and I literally will tell her like, hey, make me 150 pairs of all different colors.
Oh my gosh.
And I just rotate them in my life. Everybody like compliments me on them.
Yeah.
And I'm like, okay.
So she hand makes these?
They are handmade.
And they're on your website?
They are.
How do I look?
I look beautiful.
Yay.
See, all the attention is now like right here. Unless you want it down here with that. You know.
I don't have much down here or up here.
I was like, let's just stay right
Eyes up here. Eyes up here. Okay, what do you think?
It smells so good. I
It
love
smells good, but it's not very pasty.
You want me to paste it out for you?
Yeah.
Then I'm gonna have you add some shrimp and the minced pork in there.
Together?
Together.
Mix it?
Mix it.
All of it?
All of it.
Oh.
Normally the white pepper, if we put in a little bit more, it adds that paste
Here.
creation.
Here.
You can also use peppercorn.
Pork and shrimp.
Pork and shrimp.
My favorite two proteins.
Me too.
I know. It's so
in, like,
Asian, right?
Yeah, and it's all in all the Chinese cuisine.
Yeah.
Do you know why?
No.
I don't know either.
I thought you were gonna teach me something.
And that looks beautiful.
How's my mixing?
I love it.
Okay.
You smell all the...
It smells so good.
So now I'm gonna add some color and some crunch. We got some shiitake mushrooms.
I love shiitake.
Natural umami, beautifulness. Okay, now I'm gonna add some flavor. Looking beautiful.
What sauce is this one?
We're doing the regular stir fry.
Okay.
Not gluten-free. It has more flavor. And the reason why we put shrimp in mixed with the pork, it gives it like that bouncy texture. So you mix it with the...
I like it bouncy.
Yes, I like a bouncy. Do you mind if I help you out?
Yeah.
Yeah. I think I just really want to like do this situation.
That's like me when I watch someone else do something and I'm like, can you actually, do you mind if I just,
Can I just get into this situation?
You're like, you're not doing it right. Yeah.
It's good, but I'm like, I really want the flavors to get into it.
Yeah.
And we also kind of left the shrimp chunky so that when we put it in the wrapper, you can actually like chunks of shrimp.
Yeah, like real
chunk. Okay, you ready to do some wrapping?
I'm ready. I'm not a very good
you wrap?
wrapper. No, my mom always does it. And she says mine aren't good. They open when she boils them.
Really?
Because that's how we make the dumplings. We boil them. They're not steamed.
We're going to steam this situation so you can never go wrong.
Yeah, they won't open. They will not open.
We are now ready to start wrapping.
Oh, wait, I'm missing something.
What are we missing?
Wine.
Oh, yes,
We can't cook without wine.
I agree.
So last time I had you try my Sauvignon Blanc.
Yes.
And you liked it, right?
I loved it.
So now we're getting into like some meat, right? Pork and shrimp. I think we can try the red blend.
Love.
So this is the 2018 proprietary red blend from Napa.
Love.
And I made this red because I think it's a more easy to drink, approachable red than like a cab.
Especially
like
for
cab,
Asian
it's like,
cuisine.
yes. And it's just really versatile.
What are we looking for?
Yeah, I mean, you look at the color, so it's like a deep, dark purple.
It is.
Smell.
It smells amazing.
Swirl.
Yes.
And then sip.
That's beautiful.
It's good, right? It's not so tannic that it like dries out your mouth.
Absolutely.
You know what I mean? Like some of the cabs.
It's very round, bold, yet like, I want to say dark cherries is what I have.
Yeah. Okay, now we can wrap.
Now we can wrap.
Okay.
What you want to do is like a spoonful, it's like a teaspoon size. So this small spoon in your house is a teaspoon. And if you were going to use that as a measuring spoon, technically it equals to a teaspoon.
Really?
And then the other one is a tablespoon.
Really?
If it's the properly made type of teaspoon.
When I was growing up, we did not have teaspoons, all those little measuring small things. My mom would just be like,
pinch, pinch.
You know, and then
love
she's teach me how to make rice, and you put your finger, and it has to be like two things. Yeah, I'm like, how much water, Mom? And she's like, two fingers.
2 fingers.
Yeah, I'm like,
whose
what?
finger?
Yeah, whose finger? Your fingers? My fingers? What? Why are you sticking your fingers in the rice like that?
Okay, try to like spread it out.
Oh, okay. I'm trying to make it like my mom's dumplings.
I want to see your mom's style. Then.
Okay, let me do this one. And then what?
And then we're going to just kind of bring it up. Like a flower-ish.
What?
So that's the shumai shape, right?
Oh, it's open.
Because we're steaming.
Oh, okay. I was in the mindset of how we make jiaozi, which I don't know what the hell's happening here.
It's beautiful.
I feel like you just did a magic trick and I don't know what the hell happened.
I'm going to put a beautiful piece of shrimp on top.
Oh, there.
It's beautiful.
It's beautiful.
Let's keep going.
Okay, the way my mom does it is you put all your filling in the middle and then you close it. So it's like a half moon shape.
Let's see.
Okay. And then she would shame me for whenever my dumplings would open in her boiling water. And she'd be like, oh, that one opened. It's and then it's like a closed.
Yes.
Because we have to boil them.
Yes.
So there's
really
no
important.
steaming.
That's where the water comes in too.
Oh yeah, you gotta make it sticky. And my mom hand makes her wrappers.
Oh, we're not going there.
Yeah. See, she'd already be shaming us.
I know.
Like, oh, you use the store wrapper? Oh, yeah. Okay, see, this is
I love it.
Mama son dumpling style. I'm used to this.
So however way you want to do it.
Okay.
Which one was easier?
They're both hard.
So I literally will just tap it on the board so that it will stand up.
I think I like your way better because it's more meat to wrapper ratio.
Yes.
Yes.
For real.
Yes.
I love that concept.
Yes.
This is also a fun activity to do with your kids.
This is so fun. We should do this with the kids.
We should do.
My girls would love this.
It's so fun.
They love cooking.
So I think you're actually going to make your mama proud.
I don't know.
Well, just to make sure, hey, Mom, you need to
She's going to be like, you didn't do it right.
And then you do all this fun stuff on TikTok.
Yeah, TikTok, I started during quarantine, like as an accident. I mean, you know, like because there's nothing else to do.
Yes.
And then one of my videos like went viral overnight. I had like 100,000.
Which one was it?
things in an Asian house that just make sense. My flour is really ugly.
No, it's beautiful.
Oh, said like a true mom.
No, it's beautiful.
My mom would be like, yeah, it's very ugly.
I'm ready to boil.
I'm ready to eat.
I'm ready to steam. Okay, let's do
I'm ready to eat. How long is this steaming thing gonna take?
I would say 15 minutes.
Okay, you just
We're gonna
put
make
it
some
in.
sauce. Yes.
I can definitely tell which ones are mine and which ones are yours. The one that's falling apart is mine. Look, I put too much.
You put a lot, but it's gonna be so good.
Okay.
We're now ready to steam. Ooh. We have boiling water in this same wok, putting a paper.
Oh, what happened? It's alive. What
So
happened?
what I do, the steam curls the paper.
Oh.
So I start putting them on this side. Yes. I'm gonna put your beautiful mama in the middle. I'm making sure it's all close so it doesn't open up.
Yeah, it's probably gonna open. I've never actually made dumplings like that. Okay.
Okay.
What do we do now besides drink?
We're gonna make sauce.
Oh, sauce. But we have all the sauce.
We're gonna be mixing sauces to make this perfect sauce.
Okay.
We're gonna just mix and play with the sauces. We have black soy.
Okay. Oh, it's thick.
It is thick. It has like molasses. It's very, the caramelization. Taste that.
Just soy?
Just soy.
Oh, yeah. It has like molasses. Yeah, I taste it.
It's
Oh,
good.
caramely.
Now I'm gonna add a little bit of hot sauce.
Okay.
Our hot sauce also has some vinegar to it. So when I go eat dim sum, I always ask for jikcho.
Red vinegar.
Yes!
Yeah.
Oh, you understood my Chinese.
Yeah.
Stir it up.
Stir, stir, stir.
Stir.
Okay.
And if it's not vinegary enough, then
Yeah,
we're gonna
I
go
feel
to
like
some
it's not
jikcho.
vinegary yet. No.
You're gonna need some jikcho.
Okay.
And then I have some fresh chopped garlic. Not garlic, ginger.
Ginger. You just put a little dash,
little
right?
bit, yeah.
Yep.
So let's taste and see if you feel. How would you want to play with this situation?
More vinegar.
More vinegar. More spice or no,
No more spice.
Okay.
No
you
more
have some jikcho.
Do we have red vinegar? We only have black vinegar.
What does that taste like?
Straight up. That's like for like the vinegar connoisseur.
Oh, yes.
This is like, you don't mess with this
No,
vinegar.
you do not.
It's pungent. It has the acidity of like pH of 2.
May I taste a little bit of this?
Oh, yeah. Oh, the perfect pour, except now you can't.
Spoonful
A
of
vinegar makes the dumpling go down.
Now I'm so scared.
Take it. It's strong,
Oh,
right?
It's beautiful. So how much you want to put in?
I don't know, like a
A drizzle.
a teaspoon.
A teaspoon. The same amount that you made me take.
Yeah, that's good. That's good. What's that?
So this is where you get to spice up your life.
Oh my gosh.
It's called Drama Queen.
Are you a drama queen?
Only drama in my food, not in my life.
Okay.
I mean, are you a drama queen?
No, I am anti-drama. Like, I will run from the drama.
Me too.
Whenever people start, I'm anti-confrontation.
Love.
I don't like conflict. I have like an uneasy feeling, and then I'll
Yes.
try to like excuse myself.
So we're gonna top our dumplings off with this
goodness.
situation.
Okay,
Yes.
I'm ready to try some of this.
I think we're ready.
We're ready?
Let's open this situation.
Oh.
I already see something so exciting in your mom's dumpling that's speaking to me.
What? It didn't open?
Yes, it did not open, but it has all this soup inside. It
Oh, we
becomes
made
like
a
this
soup
magical-
dumpling.
I think you actually made a soup dumpling.
I love soup dumplings. The juice. And it didn't even spill out.
Nope. I'm so excited.
I love soup
Let's get a plate
dumplings.
for this situation.
We call them 小笼包.
Xiaolongbao.
Yeah.
I love. It's becoming so popular nowadays.
I know.
Like
Everybody
everywhere.
knows about it. It was my secret.
I know.
I know.
So you
It's
can
okay.
impress
It's
people.
a good secret to share.
Now we got all these beautiful dumplings in our plate.
Oh, I have some serving.
So cute. Oh, let's fill these
I'm obsessed
up.
with miniature things.
Oh, I love.
It's cute, right?
It is so adorable.
Okay, that's all we're allowed to eat.
Okay.
Okay.
We got some sauce.
Can you reach?
I can.
Mmm.
How's that?
Warm.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Feels
The
like
steam
home.
is still coming out.
It's still coming out.
I know.
But
We're like, oh.
But now you're gonna make dumplings at home. Make your mom proud.
Okay.
Yes. Oh my God. An okay. I love it. Not for your husband, just for your mom.
No, we gotta hide all this
Oh no.
before he gets home,
Okay.
or else he'll be like, "Who made all this?"
It's from Asian Man.
Yeah, Nikki made it.
Nikki came over.
Nikki made it.
Well, thank you. I
Thank
so
you for
much enjoyed our
coming.
time.
Cheers, my love.
Cheers. Yes. Cheers. And don't forget to follow, subscribe, let us know what you love about this episode. And Tiffany, how can they find you and where can we find your beautiful candles?
Yeah, I'm on TikTok and Instagram at Tiffany Moon MD, and my website is Tiffany Moon MD, and you just click the shop and then candles, and I have 20 scents of aromasthesia on there for whatever mood you're in.
Maybe you need to make a dumpling smell.
I don't know. Do you guys want a dumpling scented candle? Maybe not. We should stick to the lemongrass sage, which is called vasopressin. We just call it V candle for those of you who are not medically inclined. And I'm gonna go eat all these dumplings now.
And please enjoy.
Bye. Bye, guys. Where's my wind machine?
Oh yes, please.
Where's the hair wind machine?
Beyonce.
The Thai takeover experience was so much fun. I had no idea that Nikky was so lively and entertaining and so warm. I feel like she puts a little bit of her warmth and love like into her food. I learned how to make an open dumpling, which I, in my mind, always thought that dumplings had to be closed. So when she taught me how to do the folding technique where it's open like a flower, I thought that was really cool. I think there's a lot of similarities between Chinese and Thai cuisine. You know, we're both focused on sauce. That's sort of the basis of the food. Lots of fresh vegetables, meat, like a good protein, like pork or shrimp. And then, I don't know, this notion that when you're cooking, that you like infuse the stuff that you're cooking with your love and energy and culture and memories.